enhance low quality, blurry and shaky photos to next level. I'm going to show you the best apps in action comparison between one of the best photo enhancer apps. Hey guys, I'm Hamza from Android Ultra. I hope you're well. Spoiler alert for new viewers, consider subscribe to appreciate my efforts. This app reviewed on my channel in depth. After open the app, we have this type of interface in the Remini app. This is really simple and clean. To the point, we have 4 tools available as for now: photo enhancer, video enhancer, AI filter and AI photos. All the features of this app reviewed on my channel in separate videos. You may check it out in detail, videos available. After open the app, this is really simple and to the point interface. Select photo and everything is automatic. You have some options after processing completed: the background blur as well as the colors. If you go into the color, make sure to disable it and get the original color and turn off the background blur as well. And my recommendation is face retouch. You can set according to your preference, so you can do it. The next tab called the Pixelup, and this is also really good photo enhancer app, but you have 3 photo enhancers available for free of cost. After that you have to purchase, but still you can do something, so let's try it. After selecting the photo, this will show you 5 or 15 second ads. I'm skipping all the ads to save your time. After processing completed, you can see here before and after comparison side by side. This is looking much better in the after version. The details recovered by the Pixelup I like more in comparison to Remini. And why? Because it looks natural in my opinion. Even the clothes and hair stands and hair looks really well. We will put in together all of the photo enhancers, what everything we will get in the output. I'm going to compare multiple photos later in this videos. Make sure bear with me and watch till the end. This is the third app called Hypic, and basically this is the photo enhancer node. This is the full-fledged photo editor for Android. After open the app, you have to go into adjust for color adjustments. Here you have a lot of AI tools available for the face enhancement as well as the photo enhancer. Also we have a lot of other tools as well available. After click on face enhancer, this is automatic. Again you have to click on it and your photo is ready. I really like the result of the Hypic as well, because it also looks really close to natural, not artificial effect. Hypic photo output quality is amazing in my opinion. You have really close to natural as well, not replaced with AI. Move on the fourth photo enhancer, we have Picwish. This is not only for the photo enhancer dedicated. This app have also multiple features available, but we are going to do the photo enhancer comparison. So click on the fixed blur and we have something really good option. Simply choose a photo and everything is automatic. You have to do nothing. Again, the result is really well. The photo enhancer quality is great all around the photos, not only the face. As you can see here, the before and after comparison. What is the weird in the Picwish is the watermark in the bottom right side. Other than that, everything is okay. Let's take a look at the side by side photo enhancer comparison of all the 4 photos. In the 4 photo enhancers, what we will get: 4 photo enhancer and also the 4 photos. Let's take a look at. In the very first photo, you can see here all the 4 photos looks really close to each other in the normal. When you zoom in, the weird kind of artifacts is here and there on the Remini. Hypic and Pixelup doing really great job. In the second photo, we have jewelry on the top of the head and also in the necklace. So you can see here clearly Remini is not doing anything with the jewelry. Other than that, Hypic and the Picwish is my favorite one, and also the Pixelup. Hypic doing really close to natural and not going to do over sharpen in my opinion. It's really hard to say which one is doing best. Don't forget to let me know in the comment section what do you think about it. This type of in-depth comparison takes a lot of effort. I really admire your support. Subscribe, like, share with others. See you next time with another video.